Sweet, sweet story, sweet, sweet story, story with Saran. I don't want beetroot, mommy.
But you didn't even try it, dear.
I don't want to try.
Shall I tell you a story of a fish who didn't want to try any new food?
Yes, mommy.
Hello, my dear sweet kids. Are you ready to dive into the deep Indian Ocean? Our story's title is Fish's Favorite Dish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once there was a tiny fish. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shall we find its favorite dish? In the dark ocean bed there came an orange head peeping from a red seaweed. It is a teeny tiny clownfish named Manny. There were many colorful tiny fish like Manny living in the Indian Ocean. Now it's fun fact time. Clownfish take shelter in anemones, a half plant and half animal with poisonous tentacles which don't sting clownfish but protects it from other big fish. Watch till the end to find another interesting fun fact, kids. There is also a parent tip. Swish, swish! Money's many fish friends left their home to try new food on the coral reef at the surface of water. But Money, the teeny tiny fish, said, I eat only the red seaweed. Bhavishya, a beautiful butterfly fish, came to munch on Money's home. Bhavishya, why do you eat my home? Asked Money, the teeny tiny fish. Because it is my favorite dish. What is your favorite dish? Asked Bhavishya, the beautiful butterfly fish. I eat only the red seaweed, Money said. I eat many different seafood to make my eyes see clearly in the dark ocean too. Money, the tiny fish, said bye and thought, should I try new food too? And started swimming slowly towards the coral reef. On its way, Money, the tiny fish, met Vishnu, the jellyfish, trying to catch and eat a crab. Money asked Vishnu, why do you eat a crab? Because crab is my favorite dish. Which is your favorite dish? Inquired Vishnu, the jellyfish. I eat only the red seaweed, said Money. Meanwhile, the lucky crab slipped and escaped. Don't you want to go and catch the crab? Asked Money. I can find another new food. Variety of foods make me swim faster in this deep ocean, boasted Vishnu, the fastest jellyfish. Money bid goodbye to Vishnu and swam closer to the coral reef. On its way, Money, the tiny fish, met Shirley, the big shark. Which is your favorite dish? Asked Money. Shirley, the shark, said, you are my favorite dish, and started chasing Money, the tiny fish. Swish, swish, splish, splash. Money rushed to the coral reef on the surface of the water. Surely the big shark couldn't spot Money and left. All these adventures made Money very hungry. Very hungry Money munched the light green seaweed and the dark green seaweed and the blue seaweed and the brown seaweed and said, I eat all colors of seaweed. All dish are my favorite dish. Boop. From that day on, Money, the tiny fish, ate all new variety of food. Now, Money is the biggest, the fastest, and the strongest clownfish. Kids, like Money, do you want to try all new food your mother makes too? Eat all colors of vegetables and all variety of food your mom gives you to make your body parts stronger, bigger, and healthier. Shall we say it? I eat all healthy food. Shall we say it together this time with Super Smiley? I eat all healthy food. It's time for fun fact. Clownfish can live 3 to 5 years in a fish tank under captivity, but 6 to 10 years in the ocean. So, let the fish live in the ocean to make them live longer, kids, and don't put them in fish tanks. Parent tips. It is good to avoid snacks and junk food between the meals. The whole family should be eating the same food. Do you want to try beetroot now, dear?
Yes, mommy, not only beetroot, carrot, beans, onion, even lettuce, and all the vegetables.
If you like the story, click on the like button to get instant notification of our all exciting new stories. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also, do share it with your friends too.